Tonight we're gonna draw Ghost Beast. From Bakugan Geogon Rising. This is my first ever Geogon that I've ever drawn up. Ghost Beast is basically one of the most elusive Geogon, and trust me, it is really hard to beat. But the Awesome Brawlers managed to have the upper advantage on him anyway. This guy is definitely one of my favorites, even though he looks like a bull. Alexa, play my recently played songs.
Here are your recently played songs from Amazon Music.
Alexa, next song. This character's from this new show called Geogon Rising. It came out in 2021. And, well, to be honest, Geogon Rising... let's just say it involves Geogon. Well, when Bakugan have their data, well, re-altered and designed, turning him, well, did I say altered? I meant flipped into letting their Geogon counterparts take their place. I call these creatures, well, I call that form dissolving and evolving. It's like Drago has taken on a different form. Alexa, what is a bull?
As a noun, bull can have a few meanings. 1. A large, solidly built person. 2. A person who believes that market prices, especially of stocks, will increase, opposed to bear. 3. The constellation or sign of Taurus. 4. A bulldog.
Alexa, who is Taurus?
According to Wikipedia, Taurus is one of the constellations of the zodiac and is located in the northern celestial hemisphere. Taurus is a large and prominent constellation in the northern hemisphere's winter sky. It is one of the oldest constellations, dating back to the early Bronze Age at least, when it marked the location of the sun during the spring equinox.
You close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing changed at all? And if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like you've been here before? How I'm beginning to be an optimist about this. How I'm beginning to be an optimist about this. Where do we begin? The rubble or our sins? Where do we begin? The rubble or our sins? And the walls kept tumbling down in the city that we love. Great clouds roll over the hills, bringing darkness from us. But if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing changed at all? And if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like you've been here before? How I'm beginning to be an optimist about this. How I'm beginning to be an optimist about this. If you close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing changed at all? Whoa, whoa, it's alright, everything will be alright. Whoa, whoa, it's alright, everybody, now we're here. Oh, hey brother, listen. Yeah, fake can be hard-hearted.
We're almost there!
I know you and me, we both been hurt. Crunching the time and what we have left. Can't stand back and let it happen. I couldn't be a shell. I can't live like that again. Holding my strength and weakness. This is where we can begin again. I'm standing by myself. Face the world to grieve no more. The carousel goes out then goes
Alexa, play
down.
Towards the Sun.
Towards the Sun by Rihanna on Amazon Music.
Alexa, what is amethyst?
According to Wikipedia, amethyst is a violet variety of quartz. The name comes from the Koine Greek alpha mu theta upsilon sigma tau omicron sigma amethystos from alpha, A, not in mu epsilon theta sigma kappa omega mephisco, mu epsilon theta metho, intoxicate, a reference to the belief that the stone protected its owner from drunkenness. Ancient Greeks wore amethyst and carved drinking vessels from it in the belief that it would prevent intoxication.
Well, there he is, folks. That is how you draw a Ghost Beast. One of the great Geogod. Don't you worry, folks. There's more like this on the way. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and check out which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.